This year has seen the introduction of Panasonic washing machines in the UK. This is our premium model, the NA-16VX1. The washing machine features a 7 kg load capacity and a spin speed of 1600 RPM. It's also especially energy and water saving and low noise in operation. How have we achieved these savings? Our drums are slightly tilted, which uses less water, which also requires less energy to heat. In addition, we have an inverter motor by which the rotation can be fine-tuned automatically. Conventional washing machines run at a constant 45 RPM, whereas our 3D sensor monitors the movement of the washing in the drum and adjusts the rotational speed accordingly, faster or slower, for enhanced washing results. And that saves even more water and energy, and the washing machine runs more quietly. Which means we also have a special nighttime mode, ideal for people living in flats because the quiet operation at night doesn't disturb the neighbors.